Beautiful people, mortar raking kit from Marcrist. These are going to be available from early spring. It's a beautiful set. You get a nice presentation case to keep everything nice and together. It comprises of mortar raking blade. This is the MR350. So this is used predominantly for long linear runs, a horizontal joint. And then obviously for doing the perps and everything, you get a mortar raking. So this is a router bit. Key tip with this, in the kit you get everything you need, including this 8mm pilot bit. The pilot bit is the crucial part of this. You must drill a pilot hole first. That then establishes this to be set. You mustn't use this as a router bit and plunge it. It will just blunt the diamonds in it. So the process is, we're going to now drill a hole. We're going to then show you, it's basically, we call it Pac-Man, but you basically follow the perp lines for smaller, more intricate parts. And then, for, as I say, the long linear runs, we're going to use a grinder. I'm going to show you with and without extraction and show you what a difference it makes. First things first, we're going to get our pilot bit. So this is the MM850. This is an 8mm multi-construction bit. We're going to put that into our drill. First things first as well is PPE. So we're just going to set this up, and before we do anything, make sure you wear eye protection, ear protection, and of course a mask. So here we've got our DR850. This is our mortar raking bit. Pilot hole's established. Now we're going to assemble this onto the grinder with the dust shroud. So this has got holes on the inside. So this is basically a flat plate with reference points, horizontal and vertical, to make sure this stays dead flat to the wall. When that goes onto the wall, your plate, so your reference plate, is sitting nice and straight, and then you can just literally follow the lines. So I just showed you the 35mm bit. Here's the big brother. So this is a DR850, exactly the same. However, it's 100mm long. So the idea of this is for replacing. So we've just done a mortar rake, which is great if you're going to be repointing. But say you've got a damaged brick and you need to carefully remove it without damaging other surrounding bricks. Or an air vent. If you need to put an air brick in here, the idea of this, it goes right through to the cavity and it will cleanly remove a brick without damaging the surrounding area. Going on to that point, Grade 2 heritage listed buildings, you're not allowed to use conventional diamond discs purely because it will damage or potentially damage the brickwork. Say you're using this here, grinding out the actual perp line. If you go slightly too far, you'll go into the face of the brick. And on a heritage building, that's not acceptable. So the final piece of the set, this is the MR350, so mortar raking blade. This is designed for doing long linear runs, so obviously horizontal joints. This goes straight onto the grinder. So we just used our mortar rake diamond blade. So this is all cut out now. As you can see here, we've got a beautiful, nice clean line ready to be pointed in. So as you can see here, superb piece of kit from Marcrist. And don't forget the additional 100mm by 8.